Holy crap.
Oh,
Alright.
they're good.
So that's like a double drop. It's weird.
It's not a double drop.
Yes, it is.
Well,
At the end.
oh, at the end.
I go in front.
Yeah, but
Everybody.
I can't see.
Nice,
You almost
huh?
go off the pedals, Luke?
Nah. I got a bad pedal.
Oh, oh God. Oh God. Ah. Oh. Ah.
Mistakes were made.
That point when you have too much speed and you're trying to stop.
But can't.
Yeah.
No, going over that other rock is easier.
I'm stuck somewhere. I'm getting text messages. Oh God. I already fell. Want me to grab your bike for you? Oh, you got it.
That was the cleanest run I had through there until I got to this section.
That was the cleanest run for me, technically, since my first run. Not clear.
Oh.
God. I ate it right there.
Right now?
Yeah.
Shit.
I had too much speed, so I leaned to the side to not OTB. Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Move your bike, move your bike, move your bike. Oh shit. I said move it, not let go.
Sorry.
Can you move mine, please?
No. I can look at them now.
Holy shit.
Tree. Why are the bikes in the way?
Because your mom.
Okay.
Dude,
Let's
I
go.
looked so bad through there.
Bro, I fell right
I
there.
looked scared, but I was decently controlled, I think.
I was about to OTB because I tried to stop on the right before the rack,
Nice.
and so I had to go to the
Dude,
side.
you know what fucks me up the most?
What?
Potty.
Go.
Oh, have a black man waiting for us.
What the flip? You okay?
I messed that up.
I saw you got caught by the wood. It's right there. It's chill. He's over exaggerating. The drop is literally 6 inches. These rocks. Hot foot. Austin's gone, and I have something in my eye. I actually have something in my eye though. It's annoying. I'll just wait for them here. Go.
Oh.
Oh. Oh, river crossing. Oh, rock. Ow.
How fast was I going through there without the fall?
I don't know, you.
Fast enough that you were probably sitting here.